This question is an application of the section formula. Take a look at the question. In what ratio does the point P whose coordinates are -4, 2 divide the line segment joining the points AB, coordinates of A are -7, 4, coordinates of B are 2, -2. So, what do we have? We have the coordinates of the end points of the line segment A and B given to us. We even have the coordinates of the point P which is lying on this line segment, which is -4, 2. So, what are we expected to find out? We are expected to find out the ratio in which it divides it. So, it is an application of section formula. Let us say it divides it in the ratio M1 is to M2. So, what we are trying to find out is what is the value of M1 is to M2. Any ratio A is to B, you can write it in terms of a fraction as A by B. So, M1 is to M2, the fractional equivalent will actually be equal to M1 divided by M2. So, if there is some way where I can find out M1 by M2, we know what M1 is to M2 is. For example, if I find out M1 by M2 is a 1 by 3, then M1 is to M2 is 1 is to 3. So, let us see how we can go about it. Let us start by writing the section formula. Section formula for the point P will essentially be M1 into X2. Let us say this is X2, Y2 and this point is X1, Y1. So, M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2, the X coordinate of point P, and the Y coordinate will be M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. All I am going to do is I am not even going to take both the coordinates, I am just going to pick either the X or Y coordinate of point P which is known to us. Let us go with the X coordinate. So, X coordinate of point P is equal to -4 and then let us derive this X coordinate using this expression. We are trying to find out M1 is to M2. So, M1 and M2 we do not know. This -4 is equal to M1. What is X2? X2 is a 2 plus M2 which again we do not know. What is M1? X1? X1 is equal to -7. This divided by M1 plus M2 is what we have. So, the coordinate of the X coordinate of point P -4 is equal to what we would get it in terms of the expression. Let us solve this. I am going to cross multiply the denominator M1 plus M2. So, the left hand side will become -4 times M1 plus M2. The right hand side is going to be equal to 2 times M1 minus 7 times M2, right. 2 times M1 minus 7 times M2. Expand this, we have a -4 M1 minus 4 M2 is equal to 2 M1 minus 7 M2. Take the minus 7 M2 to the left hand side, that will become 7 M2 minus 4 M2. Take the minus 4 M1 to the right hand side, that is going to become 2 M1 plus 4 M1. So, entire equation becomes 3 M2 is equal to 6 M1. 3 M2 equals 6 M1 is what I have. Divide both sides of the equation by an M2. So, we will be left with the 3 equals 6 times M1 divided by M2. Divide both sides of the equation by a 6. So, 3 upon 6 which is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to M1 divided by M2. If M1 by M2 is equal to 1 by 2, then the ratio M1 is to M2 is equal to 1 is to 2, which is what we needed to find out. Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.